Hi, so we're going to be doing this do now problem. It's a little bit different than the ones we've done before. It's still asking for the derivative of fg, f times g, prime of 1, and h prime of 5. But now instead of a table of data, we're given a graphical representation of the functions so that we can find f, f prime, g prime. So one of the things here is that you really have to remember the derivative is the slope of the function. So here we have linear functions, linear piecewise functions, so you can find the slope. So for a, right, it is fg, f times g, so we will need to use the product rule, f times g prime plus f prime times g. So that's going to be of 1. So f of 1, g prime of 1 plus f prime of 1 times g of 1. So I think the f of 1 and g of 1 are pretty straightforward. So they're basically just looking for those y coordinates. So if I go f of 1, that's equal to 2. G of 1, I go to my graph, is just equal to 1. So now I need g prime of 1 and f prime of 1. So that is going to be the slope of the lines. So I'm going to do rise over run. I am going to look for, points that are right on the corners of the boxes so I can see exactly what the rise over run is. So my g prime of 1 is going to be, and again, I'm looking for two clear points, is 2 over 2. So my rise over run is 2 over 2. It is negative, a negative slope. And then f prime of 1, same thing. Again, I'm going to look for 2 points that are clear on my f graph, and here's 2. So that's 2 over 1. It is a positive slope, so it's 2. So I have 2 times 2 is negative 4, plus 2 times 1 is 2, equals negative 2. So my next one is finding h prime of 5. Now this one, h is equal to g of 2x minus 5. So this is a composition. So h prime, I'm going to have to use the chain rule. So g prime of 2x minus 5 times the derivative of 2x minus 5, which is 2. So now I'm going to plug in 5 for x, and I get g prime of 5 times 2 is 10 minus 5 times 2. So g prime of 5 times 2. So as we were just saying, g prime of 5 is just the slope of the g function at 5. So I'm going to find 2 clear points. I'm going to look for my rise over my run. And that looks like a rise of 2, a run of 3. And it is positive, so 2/3 times 2 will give me 4/3. So that's h prime of 5. I hope this was helpful.